Another developing story, public transport operators have mixed reactions towards the enforcement of non-vaccinated passengers. And as Brian George Otieno reports, the sector is not prepared to authenticate which vaccine certificates are legitimate or otherwise.
Almost Christmas, and typical of Kenyans, there is a rush to travel up country to be with family and celebrate at home. For some destinations, public service vehicles are scarce to come by, fares are high, and the struggle to get means could possibly get worse. But that's not the biggest challenge. The initial government directive requiring one to produce a certified COVID vaccination certificate may have been temporarily halted by the courts, but transport operators were already living up to it, with some still remaining undecided. Already, some PSV drivers are not in agreement with the Ministry of Health.
That is a dictatorship of high order. You know, Kenya has become a country whereby everybody is now informed. There was no any consultation which was done with the Ministry of Health. So it is as if they are pushing the public to the wrong direction. Definitely me, I'm not going to comply because I was not even consulted as a Kenyan who has got a right.
Among the other government services that unvaccinated Kenyans will be locked out from include Kenya Revenue Authority, KRA, Education, National Transport Service Authority services, NTSA, Immigration, Hospital and Prison Visitation and Port Services, among others. However, not all drivers and those in the public transport sector are resisting. Some have vowed to comply.
Hatakuwa na msimamo mkali, tunasema watu wasisafiri bila kuchanjwa ama nini. Ni juhudi ya serikali vile iliamua kuleta chanjo, na chanjo ni kitu ya lazima kwa kila mmoja. Kwa sababu ni faida kwa kila mmoja. Ni kitu ambayo inazuia ugonjwa wa corona na punguza ugonjwa wa corona. Sasa hata hivyo ukiangalia vile chanjo ililetwa, madawa ilianza kuingia nchi, masharti yameanza kuregezwa. Hata maneno ya kafi ikatoka. Haya ikafika upande wa nini? Social distancing at least si mbaya sana. Watu at least wameshaelewa maana ya chanjo ni nini. Kwa sababu unaona sasa uchumi inaanza kukua kwa sababu ya haya madawa vile yamekuja.
Currently, Kenya has vaccinated over 8 million people with a double shot inoculation. Initially, there was a push to have all civil servants vaccinated as they are in contact with more citizens seeking government services daily. However, Kenya won't be the first country to censure unvaccinated people. Germany, for example, announced lockdowns for the unvaccinated, a move that has also elicited mixed reactions globally. But even as the discussion about whether to allow non-vaccinated passengers to board public service vehicles rages on, the public service vehicle operators themselves have admitted that they do not have mechanisms of knowing who has been vaccinated and which certificates are legitimate. Be it as it may, people will have to travel. So how will this pan out? Brian George Otieno, KTN News, Nairobi.